So first thing first, go to crystals. Edit page. The question is how you will add a category to this page. So you will add a category that will be assigned here. Let's say we have till Zebra Jasper. We want to add more thing or remove something here. So these are the categories we have now on the page. So if you wish to add on, you will have to do two things. First thing is go to product categories. Here you have all the categories. Now I'm creating one to show you. Let's say a just to test. You can choose a category picture from here. I'm putting on just to test, so let's choose this one. Add new category. So I wish to show all the products that will be under this category to digital space here. So copy the category link from here, from view. Right click on it, copy link address, or simply click on view. This is the category link. So copy this one. Now simply duplicate or clone this column. When you click on it, it will be cloned automatically. Now click on edit element here. You see this is the URL you will have to put. Okay. Now replace this picture with the picture we added on the product category. This is the name. If you wish to have this name, you can put here. Or you can remove if you have the name in, written on the picture. Now by the same way you can remove one. Let me put some more. So we have 4 in a row. Now the question is, let's say we have okay, let's say we have 2 in a row and 3 in a row, but or 2 in a row. So how you put together side by side? Simply click on it and just drag and drop to you can clone the full container. Click on it, it's been cloned. So if you wish to add more new categories, simply go to here, add new category, choose a category picture, add new category. copy the URL, link address. Now change the link from here, change the picture, change the name, and remove the unnecessary ones. Update. Let's see how it's working by reloading this page. Okay, so AAA and new, these two I added here. You have to do it by the same way you have to do for the other categories. It's the same thing, same process, because we don't have a primary category that we can link to a page directly. So we are having a lot of categories that want to show on the page. So we have divided by columns, one column for one category. We need to just put link. Let me show you. Click on AA, it's taking to the AA category. So all the products that will have in this category will show here. Now let's go to the collections. We had set collections like carvings, all carvings to show on carvings. Carvings, we have carvings in a lot of categories. Let's say black obsidian has carving, blue aventurine has carvings. So all the carvings tagline or slogan. Slug means slogan. So all the category slogan should be assigned to collection page. Let's say if you go to carvings, we have carvings, freeforms, palmstone, spear tower, humblestone. So if I go to carvings, edit page, this is the short codes I used for the carvings. You see all of these that is separated by comma are individual categories. We had a lot of maybe 96 or so, maybe on 27 or something. I can't remember exact number. So if you want to add a new category that will show on the carvings, let's say this is a category you want to show on the carvings. So simply copy the slogan and assign it here. If you wish to add this category, go to there and put a comma, then this one. By this way you will have to put all the category slogan that you want to show on the carving space or freeform space. All the collection spaces are configured like this. So any category slogan that you will include on this page, here it will show on the carving space. After putting here, click save. update. Now the question is, if you wish to remove anyone, how you will do? It's the same thing. Go to the edit page and element option, remove the slogan that you wish to, that category you wish to remove. Let's say that last two I added, I am removing these two. So okay, save, update. This is the category configuration to the pages, to any pages, like we have 6 main here and then 6 collections here. I hope it will help you.